If you are a prawn lover, then you are going to absolutely adore this recipe. Now, I love a big, juicy, succulent king prawn coated in a panko breadcrumb. Now, the added twist today is some shredded coconut, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. So we are using today our black tiger king prawns. I've got in my bowl here some of the shredded coconut mixed in with some panko breadcrumbs, and in here just some plain white flour mixed in with a little bit of salt and pepper. So to begin, let's start making the sauce. So to make this delicious sauce, you need a combination of honey, white sugar, lemon zest, and a good squeeze of lemon juice. So to begin, you're going to use a little bit of white sugar and have that on a very low heat and get that to start simmering. Okay, now you're going to crack 3 medium eggs without getting any shell in, like I've just done. So grab 2 heaps of your plain flour, which is mixed in with some salt and pepper, and just add that to your 3 eggs. And then you're also going to add, again, just a splash of water, just to create a more silky consistency. Sauce made, steps done, all that's left to do is coat the prawns. So in goes the prawns. You just want to heat some oil for about 10 to 15 minutes to get that nice and hot before dropping in those beautiful king prawns. Right, final bit, get drizzling your gorgeous sauce. And for some finishing garnishes, I just can't get enough of coriander, fresh coriander. They could not look more fabulous. So we have our beautiful king prawns coated in a panko breadcrumb with shredded coconut and a honey and citrus lemon sauce. I cannot wait to dive in, and I hope you try it at home.